Today I'm going to show you the secret to cooking the perfect scallops every time. Here I have a couple scallops, and the first thing you want to do is make sure they are as dry as possible. Super dry. Pat them off with a paper towel, both sides, and even the sides of the scallop. And what that's going to do is it's going to allow us to get a really, really good sear on them when we're cooking them. All right, so I've got my pan going here, and it's nice and hot. Now I'm going to add a little olive oil right here. Now we're going to take our scallop, and we're just going to lay it right in the pan. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add just a little pressure right on the scallop. Because what this is going to do, it's going to allow it to get a nice even sear on it. And people ask me all the time why my scallops come out all rubbery. And I tell them, it's simple, you overcook them. All right, so it's been a couple minutes, and what I'm going to do is, instead of flipping the scallop, I'm just going to move it right over here. Okay? Most of the time, people will flip it now, and they'll add butter and garlic, rosemary, and what they'll do is they'll baste the scallop, which is perfectly fine. However, I think that doing that masks the true flavor of the scallop. It takes away from that beautiful sweetness you get from the scallop. All right, so now what we're going to do is I'm just going to give it a little flip. And we're going to finish this side for about 5 seconds. 90% on one side. Now we're just going to remove our scallop from the pan. We're just going to let it hang out because what you're going to have now is the carryover temperature. Okay, so it's been about 4 or 5 minutes, and I let the scallop rest. I took it out of the pan, 115 degrees, because then it has that carryover to about 120, 125. I mean, look at that. Perfect. Perfect sear. Absolutely amazing how good these come out. No salt, no pepper, nothing. Just the true sweet taste of a beautiful scallop. I hope you get to try this recipe out. It's super easy once you know the technique. And for another good recipe, be sure to watch the video that's on your screen right now, and I'll see you right over there.